What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled. And today I have these, the EarFun Free 2. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna get this box popped, we're gonna explore all of its contents, we're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, and yes, a latency test. Sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, let's do this, let's go right meow. Alright guys, so I got the EarFun Free 2 popped into my ears. Now today, as of recording, is day 1 of Prime Day 2021. These are on sale currently for $39.99. The normal price is $49.99. Not sure when I release this video if the price will still continue to be $39, but as of today it is. These have Bluetooth 5.2 and they're also rocking the Qualcomm 3040 chip. A lot of technology in a very small price point. Cheap buds are getting really good. Let's see if these are really good. Audio test time. Let's get these tunes cranked. Oh wow, really loud. Highs seem clear and crisp. Wow. I am impressed. Wow. 49 bucks is a steal for the way that these sound. I am very impressed with the sound stage at this price point. The actual volume is very loud. I had to lower it. Typically I can keep the volume level all the way up. I definitely had to take these down to 7 or 8. The highs were crystal clear, very, very crisp. The bass, although did not rattle my brain, was very punchy, very hard. I liked it. Everything sounded good. It was very balanced for me. I liked it. Great sound at this price point. I keep saying cheap buds are getting really, really good. These high-end priced earbuds have a lot of competition and they need to do a lot to justify their price point at that tier. With all of that said, it is now mic test time, but before we get started on the mic test, do me a quick favor, smash that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next episode. All right, mic test time. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the EarFun Free 2 wireless earbuds. Let me go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the EarFun Free 2 wireless earbuds with ambient noise running in the background. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Are these worthy of that $49.99 price tag? Are they holding up against the higher end of the competition? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's hop into the latency test. As always with latency test, I'm going to test on an Android and iOS device. The iOS device is going to be an iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Android device is a OnePlus 8 Pro. Up first, let's start with the iOS device. Here we go. All right, now let's switch over to the Android phone. Alright guys, so there you have it. We did an audio test, a mic test, and yes, a latency test. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace. Brah!